Hello, welcome to Airoptic YouTube channel. My name is Paweł Kluczyński and I'm the CEO of Airoptic. Airoptic designs and manufactures tunable diode laser-based gas analyzers for industrial applications. We produce them in several different versions. So starting on the right side here, we have so-called in-situ analyzer that measures directly in the process. It consists of the transmitter and receiver unit, and they are mounted on opposite side of the process. Whereas the process itself can be anything from the pipeline, duct, stack, or even a furnace with temperatures inside up to 1500 degrees Celsius. The stack dimensions can be anything from a couple of centimeters up to 25-30 meters. The most common thing about all in-situ analyzers that we produce is the response time can be very fast. Simple because of the lack of extraction of the gas. We measure directly in the process, the reaction is instantaneous. They're also very low maintenance devices because after a proper installation and alignment, they can operate up to several months or even years without even a need to touch them. We offer them in the single and multi-gas configuration, which means we can either measure one gas of your choice or several gases of your choice, which is a novelty offered by Airoptic. The common thing is that they share exactly the same process interface, which means that if you have, for example, installed a single gas analyzer, you can swap easily to a multi-gas analyzer without even a need to shut down your process. But if for some reason your process cannot accept the in-situ analyzer, or you rather prefer to have other means of measurement, then we can also offer extractive analyzers in our portfolio. They are based exactly on the same technique, but the sample is not measured directly in the process, but it's first extracted from the process and conditioned and transported to our analyzer. It doesn't mean that conditioning has to be complicated, because these systems can also be offered in a hot-wet configuration, meaning 180 degrees heated cell inside, and there is no need for extraction of water vapor prior to measurements. This simplifies the whole conditioning system very much and also minimizes your maintenance. So in general, we can measure exactly the same gases with extractive analyzer as in situ. However, in some particular cases, we can offer even higher performance with extractive. But I will leave it to another tutorial dedicated just to this matter. So going on the left side here, we have an open path analyzers group, which are used typically for open space monitoring. They can be configured in either short distance analyzer types, like the one in front of you, which allows measurement of gases up to 50 meters. However, if you require longer distances to be covered, we offer this type of analyzer, which can be applied up to 1 kilometer of path length. They are both monostatic. It means all receiver and transmitter electronics are in one box, and the opposite side of the process, you just place a reflecting means. And the reflecting means is something similar to mirror, but we call it retroreflector, which is easier to align, but still allows the light to be returned back to the analyzer. So the general common thing about all our analyzers is that we can also offer them in a hazardous location configuration. So ATEX Zone 1, 21, Zone 2, 22, and IEC-EX as well. And something which we will cover also in this channel is to present the basic technical features of the analyzers. And one of them, which is applied in all of our analyzers, is basically a standard package, is auto-calibration. So it means they auto-calibrate automatically on site, so we actually do not need you to do a yearly calibration. It's not all done automatic. So in this channel, we'll present various video tutorials to help you become an expert on this technology and how to install, maintain and service our analyzers in field. Apart from that, we'll show different basic tutorials dedicated solely to the tunable diode laser principles. And this is just because we think it's a good idea to disclose some of the basic features so you feel more comfortable with this technology on site or in the field. So please subscribe to our channel and once again, welcome.